Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to insert a game card to your Nintendo Switch OLED. So first of all, get your game card, and if I just focus right here, make sure that the arrow you see right here is pointing downwards. Make sure the Nintendo Switch text is upwards. If you're holding your game card like this, you will insert it the wrong way. So have your game card like this, plop it down, and then next I want you to get your Nintendo Switch OLED, and at the very top right here, you see there is a game card slot. You want to get your nail, and you see the top right here, you just want to pry, and you want to pry forwards like this, and you can see the game card slot is removed. So right here, there is space to enter in that game card. Just get it right here. Make sure that it is the same orientation as described earlier, and you just want to push it down. Recommend you use your index finger, push it down, and eventually you will hear a click. Just click it down and then release. And once you've done this, you should be able to see that game that you just inserted. So for me, it was Super Mario 3D All-Stars, and in order to close the game card slot, all you need to do is just push downwards, and then boom, just like that, the game card slot is now closed. If you want to ever remove a game card in the future, you just open up the slot again, like so, and then you just want to push down, and then back up, and then boom, you can see right here, the game will remove successfully. Just pull up, and you're good to go. So that's about it. Hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for brand new. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.